Guys, I really hate fire alarms, aka fire drills. Yeah, it's for safety, but it's so freaking loud. Like, turn that down. What if someone is sleeping and they have to hear this? Yeah, if there's a real fire, this sound is going to wake them up in the middle of the night and save their life, but if it goes off in the middle of the night without a fire, people are going to wake up to nothing. And in schools, I hate fire drills in schools. I hate it when the stupid fire alarm goes off in my school. Someone is in the bathroom and doing their business, and all of a sudden, the freaking alarm goes off, and it's like, They got scared, and then they have poop on their pants, and they're gonna get laughed at, all because the fire alarm scared them. Like, my goodness, don't turn the alarms on when someone's in the bathroom. Hey, I'm gonna pull a fire alarm. Those people have lunch. Shh. Like, my God, don't do that. What if it's 10 degrees outside and all of a sudden the alarm comes on? Well, they're going to have to come outside right away and freeze to death. Come on, you're gonna get hypothermia and frostbite. All because you decided to do a drill when it's that cold? Really? Check the weather before turning on the drills. Say there's special education students that are sensitive to loud noises, and the teacher doesn't tell them that there's going to be a fire drill, and it's unexpected, and all of a sudden, well, they're going to go like, all because they got scared of that alarm because it's so loud. Like, my goodness. Like, if we're autistic or have any special needs, tell us when the drill's gonna happen so it won't scare us when it goes off. So I can cover my ears when it goes off. And in some cases, they would take me outside before the alarms go off, so they wouldn't scare me as much. Yeah, I just hate it when these stupid fire alarms go off. Especially if they don't tell me when there's gonna be a drill. I just hate it. I always hated these stupid fire alarms in my school when they went off. And in elementary school, the alarm was on continuous, and man, that scared me when it went off. I always hated these stupid fire alarms in all grades in school. Since pre-K, I hated these fire alarms. No joke, I hate them to a burning, flaming passion. Because it's so loud and it's so scary. And whoever pulled the fire alarm, I'm gonna punch that person in the face. Because I hate fire alarms. Yeah. I like having fire alarms in my collection. But I hate fire alarms in school when they go off. Why do we have to do these drills in middle school and high school? We already know what to do when there's a fire. Yeah, in preschool and elementary school, I get it. It teaches younger kids what to do if there is a fire. Not to go all crazy. We already know what to do when there's a fire. Soon as that alarm sounds, we get up, walk out of the classroom, go out the nearest exit door. So we no longer need to practice these drills. Because we already know what to do as soon as that alarm sounds. Yeah, I just hated the fire alarms in my school. No joke, I hated them always. Because it scared me. And I'm sensitive. And I have sensitive hearing because of autism. I mean, God. I always hated the sound of the fire alarm in my schools because it scared me. And my other classmates have the same thing. It scares them, and I agree with them. It scares them quite a bit because they're so loud. Man, I just hate it when these fire alarms unexpectedly go off. Bye.